everybody, it's Miss Holly and I am here in my front yard with Sadie and Nora, and we are going to do a little fun activity, making a nature bracelet. And the only thing you'll need for this activity is nature, which we're outside, so we have lots of that. And we'll need some tape! You can use whatever kind of tape you have at home. I picked this packing tape because it's really wide. So I'll show you how to put it on and how to go on this little nature hunt. All right, so the way that we're gonna make our bracelet is we're gonna pull some tape off. Okay, and then we're not gonna put the sticky side on our skin. We're gonna put the sticky side on the outside. So can I see one of your hands?
So the stuff can stick on that you want to make your nature bracelet with.
That's right. There. All right. And now, whenever you go find different things from nature, you can like pick up a leaf or pick up a piece of grass, or if you find like a little flower and stick it right to your bracelet and decorate it however you want. Are you ready? All right. A leaf from that tree? Here, let's go look around by the bottom of the tree and see if any leaves have fallen on the ground. Behind you. Earlier we saw a squirrel on this tree. Ooh, you're gonna stick it to your bracelets. It's sticking in really well. Let's see, do you see anything else that might be cool? Maybe a piece of grass or a piece of bark from the tree, or a little flower. I like it. Yeah, what is that sound?
Is that like a woodpecker?
It's not a woodpecker. I can't see it. Do you know what kind of bug makes that sound? A cicada. Can I show you something? Do you remember what cicadas are?
Oh yeah, it's like whenever we got to look at the cicada's skin on the tree.
Yep, look.
Wait,
There's one right there.
where? Oh yeah, I remember looking.
All right, show me what your bracelet looks like.
I really like these little twigs.
Ooh.
There's like pretty flowers and look, we even found some purple leaves.
Ooh, that's so cool. All right, well that is how we made our nature bracelets, and I hope that you get a chance to get outside and get some sunshine and fresh air and make your very own. I definitely want to see pictures and videos, so go ahead and email those to either me or Miss Marissa, and if you want, you can text a video or a picture, or you can just write us and tell us the kinds of things that you found. All right, have fun with this activity, and we'll see you later. Bye.